You know what's surprising? Many seniors skip breakfast or settle for just a slice of toast and coffee. But breakfast is actually one of the most important meals of the day, especially as we age. When we get older, our muscles naturally start to weaken, and it becomes harder for our bodies to hold on to strength. That's where a high-protein breakfast comes in. It's like giving your body the tools it needs to stay active, energized, and strong. So, what does a good high-protein breakfast look like for seniors? It doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Imagine starting your morning with a couple of scrambled eggs. Just 2 eggs give you about 12 grams of protein. Add a slice of whole grain toast and maybe a spoonful of cottage cheese on the side, and suddenly you've got a solid, protein-rich meal that's easy to digest and filling. And for those who like a sweet touch in the morning, Greek yogurt with a few nuts and berries is another fantastic option. Greek yogurt has twice the protein of regular yogurt, and when you mix in almonds or walnuts, you're adding healthy fats and even more protein. Another simple favorite? Oatmeal made with milk instead of water. It's warm, comforting, and when you stir in peanut butter or top it with seeds like chia or flax, it becomes a powerful breakfast. You can even add a boiled egg on the side if you need extra protein. And for seniors who are always on the go or have smaller appetites, a protein smoothie with milk, banana, peanut butter, and a scoop of protein powder can work wonders. It's easy to sip and still packs in a punch. The key is to aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein in the morning, because that's what helps prevent muscle loss over time. It's not just about staying full, it's about staying strong, maintaining balance, and having the energy to do the things you love. So the next time you think breakfast isn't that important, remember this. It might just be the best time of day to fuel your body with exactly what it needs.